Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a slime review video. So, I went to Colding Weather. So we're going to do this one first. Actually, I'm going to do this one. Actually, I don't remember. Let's do this one first. So, this one's Elmer's Glue. It's, oh dear, it's scented, it's safe, and it's non-toxic. And this one's really pretty. So, you open it, and that's what you see. And this one, when you first feel it, it's sticky and all. This one has a really pretty color. It's pink, and it has, oh my god, it's sticking on my hands. This one's sticky. But it has some really good crunches. Oh my god, what the heck. Okay, so, oh my god. It's way stickier than I last remembered. But it has these sparkly things in it. It's confetti. This is a Bingsu slime texture, and are you guys ready for some ASMR? So the thing with this one is, if you like play with it, so I'm gonna play with it fast. See, nothing new sticked. Okay, then I'm gonna play with it slow. See, it sticks. So you kind of have to play with this fast, but I also know how to take it off. Take it off if you have to play with it slow. You just bring it together and you just squish it and it comes off. This one has some great ASMR. Turn the volume up high. Okay. Anyways, so that was that one. Very pretty. And I got the slime on my shirt and it stained it, so I would not recommend this for little kids. But I really like it. I think as long as you're mature enough to not to use it and not get it everywhere, I think it's pretty good. It's a what would I rate it? I rated a 8 out of 10. Okay, the slime goes everywhere. Okay, so that's the reindeer one. It also smells like strawberries. So and it says yeah, strawberries and flowers. So, strawberry. Okay, let's talk about this one. Smells like flowers. So this one, that's what you first see. It has sprinkles inside. This one looks like that. This one I'd say is more for little kids because it's stretchy, but it's not like. So these little beads are in it. But if you put it on your shirt, it won't stick. And it has some great ASMR as well. The beads fall out a lot, but it doesn't stick. So I think it doesn't stick to anything. And this one, even if you play with it really slow, it won't stick. If you play with it fast, it won't stick. So this one is not sticky, which is a nice thing, but it's very less is what it is. So let's see. There you go. I like those ASMRs. Stretchy. It's stretchy but not sticky, which is a good thing. Okay, so I sprinkled all over my bed now. But yeah. But I cannot be the only person to notice this. But as you can see, it has some of the confetti from Butterfly. Maybe I got it in there. I really like this number. This is the container. Let's put it in. And I would rate this. Wait, let's put it. Okay, I would rate this a 7 out of 10. Okay, so quiet is my time. Oh yeah, okay. No, my coat pen fell. It's stained. Oh, that's my coat pen. That's fine. Once I wash it, I'll tell you guys if it comes off. It's from Coles. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed.